Hello everyone, welcome back to the Digital Learning English class at St. Joseph English Medium School. Dear students, I am Mrs. Manikya, your English teacher for the standard. In our previous video, we have learnt about poem number 6, One Thing at a Time, and learned some exercises of this poem and also learned some language development activities, solved question answers and exercises of the poem number 6. So today in this video we are going to study about the grammar part. In grammar part we are going to learn today adjectives. We are going to learn about adjective. An adjective is a part of speech. An adjective is a part of speech. So today in this grammar part we are going to learn more about an adjective. What is an adjective, dear students? What is an adjective? Yes, an adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes noun or pronoun. Before that, what is noun? Dear students, we have learnt about noun in our previous grammar classes. We already know about what is noun in our previous grammar classes. Okay. So what is noun? Yes. Nouns are words that name a person or place or animals or things or ideas. Noun are words that name a person, a place, a thing or ideas. Okay. So what is noun? Noun is a naming words. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. What is adjective? An adjective is a word that describes noun or pronoun. An adjective is a word that gives more information about the noun that goes with it. An adjective is a word that gives more information about the noun that goes with it. An adjective is a part of speech. An adjective is a part of speech. Often the adjective is come before noun or after the noun which describes it. Often the adjectives comes before the noun or after the noun. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Okay children, let us know kinds of adjectives. First of all, adjective are words that are used to describe nouns and pronouns and to quantify and identify them. Adjectives of quality. It describes the nature of a noun. Example, honesty, kind, large, bulky, beautiful, ugly, etc. An adjective describes the nature of a noun. For example, honesty, kind, large, bulky, beautiful, ugly, etc. Sarah is a beautiful woman. For example, how the adjectives used in the sentence? Sarah is a beautiful woman. Beautiful is an adjective in this sentence. How is Sarah? How is Sarah? Sarah is beautiful. Sarah is a beautiful woman. In this sentence, the red letter words, beautiful is an adjective, Sarah is a noun, woman is a common noun. Here, an adjective comes after the noun and before the common noun. In this second one, adjective of quantity. Quantity means how much. Quantity means how much. It helps to show the amount or the approximate amount of the noun or pronoun. For example, all, half, many, few, little, enough. For example, all, half, many, few, little, enough. Third one, Adjectives of number. Adjectives of number. It shows the number of the nouns and their place in an order. In this, two types are there. First one, definite numeral adjective. Second one, indefinite numeral adjective. So, dear children, these kind of adjectives we will use in our sentences. Let us see some more examples of an adjectives. Dear children, look at the pictures. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word which describes the noun. So in first picture, mom is very busy in her work. Mom is very busy in her work. So busy mom. How is the mom? Mom is busy. Second picture, an apple is in a red color. How is the apple? Apple is in red color. Red apple. In third picture, the coin is shiny. That penny means coin. That coin is very shiny. Shiny penny. So in the fourth picture, we can see some children having fun in the fun park. Fun park. How is the park? The park is very funny. Fun park. In the fifth picture, we can see the smelly garbage dustbin. That dustbin is so smelly. Smelly. How is the dustbin? Garbage. Smelly. In the sixth picture, the camel was very thirsty. How is the camel? Very thirsty. Very thirsty. Thirsty is an adjective in this word. Seventh picture, quiet. Quiet means silent. How we have to be in the library? Very silently. How the library is? Very silently. So, quiet library. The library is quiet. Quiet library. In the eighth picture, old man. How the man is? How the man is? Old man. Old is an adjective. Man is a common noun. In the ninth picture, pretty princess. Pretty princess. In this picture, the princess was very pretty. How the princess is? Pretty. Pretty is an adjective. Describes the noun princess. So, in the 10th picture, quiet church. Quiet church. How the church is? Very quiet. Have you seen the church is noisy? No. So, the church is very quiet. In the 11th picture, sleepy dragon. How the dragon is? Drowsy. Very drowsy. Sleepy. Lazy. Lazy. Sleepy dragon. Dragon is sleepy is an adjective. Shows the quality of the dragon. How the quality? Very lazy quality. Last picture, the boy is crying. The boy is crying because he is sad. How the boy is? Sad. Sad boy. Sad is an adjective. Boy is a common noun. So these kind of adjectives we use. Let us learn more. 8 most common adjectives in Hindi. Big, bada. Big, bada. Small, chota. Chota. Chota is an adjective. Long, lamba. Long, lamba. Long is an adjective. Short, chota. Short, chota. Short is an adjective. Good, quality, good. Good, acha. Good is an adjective. Bad, bura. Bad in Hindi, bura. Bura, bad. Bad is a quality, so it is an adjective. Cold, cold. Thanda. Cold, thanda is an adjective. Hot, hot. Garam, hot, garam or garmi is an adjective. Let us learn some more examples. Some more adjectives with examples. Here you can see a girl, adjectives. A girl, Jane. Her name is Jane. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Here you can see a girl wearing a convocation dress. So Jane is a clever girl. How is a Jane? How is Jane? Jane is a clever girl. Jane is a clever girl. Clever is an adjective in this sentence. And it describes Jane. How is Jane? Jane is a clever girl. Okay, students, I hope you all understood what is an adjective. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. Before that, you all know about the nouns. What is nouns? Nouns are a words that name of a person, place, animals, things or idea. An adjective is a word that gives more information about the noun that goes with it. An adjective is a part of speech. Often the adjectives comes before or after the noun. Oftenly the adjectives comes before the noun or after the noun it describes. Okay students, let us solve some exercises on this grammar part and adjective. Let's solve the exercises of this. First main questions in this grammar part. Read the sentence, underline the noun and circle the adjective describing it. What we have to do? Read this sentence and underline the noun and circle the adjectives describing it. Which describes the noun we should circle. Okay. So, let us start. In first one, children dance to the loud music. Children dance to the loud music. In this sentence, children and music both are noun. How the music is? Loud, very loud. So, loud is an adjective, music is a noun. So, next, second one, Raj narrated a scary story. Raj narrated a scary story. Story is a noun in this sentence. Raj and story are the noun in this sentence. So, how the story is? Very scary. Very scary. Scary is an adjective. So, we have to circle for the scary. Third one, Natasha has many ribbons. Natasha has many ribbons. In this sentence, Natasha and ribbons are the nouns. Many is an adjective. How the ribbons are? How are the ribbons? Many. How many are the ribbons? Many ribbons are there. How many? Many ribbons are there. Fourth one, 100 sparrows were sitting on a long wire. 100 sparrows sitting on a long wire. In this sentence, sparrows, wire. Sparrows, wire are nouns. 100 and long are an adjectives. 100 and long are an adjectives. How the sparrow? How many sparrows are there? How many sparrows are there? 100 sparrows are there. How many sparrows are there? 100 sparrows are there. So, where they are sitting? On a long wire. How the wire is? Long, very long. Long an adjective. So, we have to circle 100 and long. Next, fifth one. The big truck cannot pass through the narrow lane. In this sentence, truck and lane are nouns. So, in this sentence, big and narrow are an adjectives. We have to circle for the big and narrow. How the truck is? Very big. Big is an adjective. How the lane is? Lane means way. Way, path. How the lane is? Very narrow. Narrow, small. Sixth one. Nazia won the first prize for solving the difficult puzzle. Nazia won the first prize for solving the difficult puzzle. In this sentence, Nazia prize puzzle. Nazia prize puzzle are the nouns in this sentence. We have to underline for them. And first and difficult are an adjectives. So first phrase, difficult puzzle. How the puzzle is very difficult. How the puzzle is very difficult. So difficult is an adjective. So this completes the main question. Read the sentence, underline the noun and circle an adjective. Next, move to the second main question. Choose the correct an adjective from the bracket that matches the noun it describes. Fill in the blanks. What we have to do? We have to select correct one adjectives from the bracket that matches to the noun it describes. So fill in the blanks. We have to select one correct an adjective for the sentence. Let's start. First one. Today is a bright day. Today is dash day. Dash day means bright day. Second one. Alka wanted to make a dash cake. Which cake? Fresh cake. Third one. She mixed flour. She mixed flour and butter to make a creamy mixture. Which mixture? Creamy mixture. Fourth one. She baked the cake in a dash oven. She baked the cake in a hot oven. Fifth one. The oven gave a loud alarm. The oven gave a dash alarm. Loud alarm. Sixth one. The cake had a dash smell. Which smell? Sweet smell. The cake had a sweet smell. Seventh one. Everyone liked the tasty cake. Everyone liked the tasty cake. Tasty is answer. Eighth one. The family ate the cake with steel spoons. The family ate the cake with a steel spoons. Steel spoons. This completes main question. Second main question. So let's move to the last one. Challenge. What is the challenge? 6 adjectives of your choice. Now describe your favorite dress, a story book in 3 sentences. Use 6 adjectives of your choice. Then describe your favorite dress or a story book in 3 sentences. What you have to do, children? You have to describe your favorite dress or a favorite storybook in 3 sentences. You have to use 6 adjectives in your sentences. So let us start. I have described here storybook. So my favorite story book. My favorite story book. My favorite storybook is Cinderella. It has many colorful pages. It has a brown cover. There are many beautiful pictures in my storybook. The book is very thick in size. So I have used some adjectives and adjectives in 3 sentences. So dear children, this completes an adjective of poem number 6. Dear children, we have completed our grammar part. An adjective of poem number 6. So dear children, all of you have to write these all exercises of grammar part in your English classwork very neatly without any spelling mistakes. And you have to prepare for the next unit test, next class test on this poem. Thank you.